Vas a ver, vas a ver. I love this one. I love this one. This is a very good one. Vas a ver, vas a ver, vas a ver, vas a ver. Okay, so the meaning of this expression, this is another expression, is you'll see. You'll see. You'll see one day I'll do this or that. So it's similar to saying that. You'll see. And it's almost a literal translation. Vas a ver, you'll see. You'll see. Vas a ver. Now let's look at some examples using this phrase. Vas a ver qué felices vamos a ser. Vas a ver qué felices vamos a ser. Okay? Remember, this is not hacer because some people can confuse this with hacer, which is a verb and it means to do or to make. So in this situation, it is two words, hacer. Vas a ver qué felices vamos a ser. This means, let's see what this means. You'll see how happy we'll be. So this is a positive thing. You can use vas a ver in this situation, of course. So literally, you're saying you'll see how happy we'll be. Okay, so this is a good thing to say, definitely, to your partner. Vas a ver, vas a ver. Vas a ver. So we have the expression here. You'll see. Okay. Qué felices. How happy. I know que means what, but when remember, you cannot translate word by word from Spanish into English because they're not the same language. Qué felices is similar to saying how happy. Vamos, nosotros vamos, will. When you say vamos a ser, this whole expression means will be, okay? Will be. I know that vamos can mean let's go, okay? It can mean come on, but that little phrase, vamos a ser, will be, okay? So that's the meaning of that phrase here. So technically you're learning two phrases here. Vamos a ver, vamos a ser. I mean, vas a ver and vamos a ser. Ooh. Wow. That's a lot of info, definitely. A lot of information. Okay, so let's look at the last example, and that's going to be it. Let's see how we can use vas a ver in a different situation. Vas a ver, le voy a decir a tu mamá. So this is a common thing to say to kids, you know, when they're misbehaving. The translation of this sentence is, you'll see, I'm going to tell your mom. That's the literal translation, but just remember that vas a ver is an expression that means, you know, you'll see, I'm gonna do something, or you'll see, this is gonna happen. You'll see, you know, that kind of expression. Vas a ver, le voy a decir a tu mamá. You'll see, I'm going to tell your mom. So you'll see, don't you try me, because I'm going to tell your mom you are misbehaving. That's funny. Okay. Vas a ver means you'll see. Le voy a decir, another great sentence that means I'm going to tell. remember to add or include a. Decir a is a common thing to say when you want to say, to tell someone something, okay? So le voy a decir, yo le voy a decir, I'm going to tell a. Include that, just remember that, decir a. And tú means your mamá. Mamá. Remember the intonation? Mamá. It's not mama, it's mamá. Ma. Okay? And that means mom. Excellent. So yeah, this is a good expression if you want to say you'll see. You can use it in positive situations or situations that are a bit more, not as good as the good ones. So yeah, remember that. Vas a ver means you'll see.